The urbanization is not evenly distributed over the globe. Like we have example of Western Europe, North America, Japan, where 9 out of 10 people are living in the urban center. लेकिन ये बिल्कुल कंट्रास्ट है in those areas which are the developing economies, जिसमें 3 out of 10 persons are living in the urban centers. लेकिन इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि जो डेवलपिंग इकोनॉमीज़ हैं वहाँ पर या लेस डेवलप्ड एरियाज हैं वहाँ पर अर्बन सेंटर राइज नहीं करे. मोस्टली दी अर्बन जो ग्रोथ रेट है वो बिलोंग्स टू द डेवलपिंग इकोनॉमीज़, यानी बहुत से लोग जो हैं डेवलपिंग एरियाज़ के या तरक्की पजीर ममालिक में रूरल एरिया से अर्बन सेंटर की तरफ शिफ्ट हो रहे हैं. So this is actually the shape of the urbanization of the world. The urbanization is a population shift from rural to urban areas. The gradual increase in the proportion of people living in urban areas and the way in which each society adopt to the change. So this is actually a change of society from rural society to the urban society. So इसमें जो है वो like we have example of Pakistan. Today 37% of the total population belongs to the urban center. बट वंस इट वाज 10%. जब हम पार्टीशन के वक्त इस इलाके की जो अर्बन एरिया की जो पॉपुलेशन थी दैट इज़ फ्रॉम 5 to 10% ऑफ द टोटल पॉपुलेशन बिलोंग्स टू द अर्बन एरिया. लेकिन जैसे जैसे सिटी लाइफ ग्रो की है, अर्बन सेंटर बने हैं, तो पीपल आर मूविंग फ्रॉम रूरल एरिया टू द अर्बन regions. Now this map shows the global urbanization, showing the percentage of the urbanization per country in 2012. Now green color shows 90% of the total population belongs to the country's urban population, whereas yellow shows the second highest in urban population. The beige color shows the third highest from 30 to 50% of the total population is living in these areas. उसमें हम साउथ एशिया में भी देख रहे हैं, पाकिस्तान भी है, इंडिया भी है, टर्की का एरिया इसमें शामिल है. बट रेड कलर जो है इट शोज लेस देन 25% ऑफ द टोटल पॉपुलेशन बिलोंग्स टू द urban center. So this is the global urbanization map which represents the percentage of the urban areas and mostly belongs to the developed countries are under high percentage. Guangzhou is the city of China. It was actually the world's fastest growing urban area during the second half of the 20th century. Its population increased from about 20,000 to 2.5 million in 3 decades. When a major development project was announced in Shanghai, nearly 3 million people rushed to the area hoping to find job. So Guangzhou के जो sites हैं उसमें उसके 8 joining मेट्रोपॉलिटन एरियाज हैं और वहाँ से लोग जो हैं इस सिटी की तरफ आए हैं बिकॉज ऑफ द अपॉर्चुनिटीज. सो इज़ द लार्जेस्ट सिंगल एग्लोमरेशन ऑन द अर्थ. Agglomeration means where we have the maximum concentration of the urban population. So it is difficult to think of a human world without cities. Cities are the center of the political power and industrial might. Higher education and technologically innovation, artistic achievement and medical advances make the things suitable for the cities. They are the great market centers of the specialization and interactions, sources of news and information, supplies of the services, and providers of the sports and entertainment. So cities are the anchors of the modern culture. The urban system and its spokes form the structural skeleton of the society. Now here we have the rise of the urban population at a global level, जिसमें ये blue line जो है shows the growth of the urban population of the world, जिसमें gradual rise है. But the जो more developed regions हैं, जिसमें red line जो आ रही है, this line actually shows rapid rise है, but फिर इसमें gradual rise इसमें आती है. So these are the areas where we have the high growth rate, but green shows the maximum growth rate because of the Asian continent. So इस यहाँ पर जो agriculture economy है change into the agro-based industry. So that's why people are moving from rural area to the urban centers. So industrial cities यहाँ पे बने, manufacturing cities बने. So that's why we have high growth rate in Asian countries. So green represents the highest growth rate. Now this map shows the world population which are belongs to the cities. And now 3% of the world total population lived in cities in 1800, and this has risen to 47% by 2000 and reached 50.5% by 2010, and it may be around 70% in 2050. So why? Because most of the people are moving toward the city areas. The manufacturing cities were emerged first in the British Midlands and soon in the Western Europe. Some European cities such as Paris and Amsterdam managed to retain the character of their historic centers, but many others were totally or partially destroyed. While cities in the developing countries or world have been growing much faster rate, the demographically stagnant cities of the industrialized West world have been changing in quite different ways. Modern means of transportation and elaborate road construction have permitted the disposal of urban population in a process that made suburbanization the hallmark of the modern city. The modern city has not stabilized. Some urban geographers see what is often referred to as postmodernism in the cities of the technologically advanced societies. They use this term because at least parts of such cities are increasingly divorced from their own historical roots, and the industrial past has long shaped their development. It is predominantly the process by which towns and cities are formed and become larger as more people being lived and working in the central areas. So the city actually the area where we have the high percentage of the urban population, but it has a hierarchical development. जिसमें the tiny part of the settlement is called hamlet, जिसके बाद we have the formation of the village जिसमें और population add हो जाती है, and then we have the town formation where we have municipality, the things which are related to schools, hospital, and a few service centers, repair workshops, and then the formation of city, उसमें हम metropolitan area भी है, फिर mega city है, and then today the most important term we use for the urban center is called the hyper cities. So where we have the service centers mostly belongs to the paying collar jobs, where we have the tertiary areas, tertiary jobs जिसे हम कहते हैं, quaternary jobs हैं, quinary jobs हैं. So those are the areas where we have the mega cities or hyper cities.